Redknapp. Goodness me, have you ever seen anything like that in your life from a goalkeeper?
Hi, welcome to this video today, which is all about best Forex trading techniques for profit. I'm going to be looking at them from the basis of doing the opposite to conventional investment wisdom. If you want to make money in Forex trading, you've got to do something different to the herd, and we know that 95% of traders lose. Started the video with a fantastic clip of a saved by a Paraguayan goalkeeper. It was very different, but it was very effective. Now, he was doing that for entertainment, but we actually have to be different to survive long term in the Forex markets. Now, I've always said that if you see the phrase commonly accepted investment wisdom, you need to be very skeptical about it, because obviously, the majority of traders lose. I did a video recently on the 2% risk per trade rule, and you should never risk more than 2%. And that is extremely popular. It's commonly accepted by most traders. It's got no basis in fact that it reduces risk, and it actually dilutes reward potential. So that's one we've covered before. The one I want to cover today is basically your risk reward per trade. I was reading on the net the other day. Guy writes, you should never ever take trades that have got a risk reward less than 3 to 1. So you need to make 3 times as much profit on your trade as you would lose. Now, on the face of it, that sounds great advice, but it ignores a couple of things in my view. First of all, traders do this all the time. They say, oh, this trade's got a risk reward of 3 to 1, 5 to 1, 7 to 1, and they basically do that and then think that that's great. But it's an opinion. It is nothing more. It is not the risk reward of the trade. Okay, the risk reward of the trade is basically any trade can go wrong, and that is an opinion. And why can you not take trades with less than 3 to 1 in terms of risk reward if the odds of success in your view are very, very good? Okay, because it's the odds of success, how you see them, that is really important. And I will very often take trades that are 1 to 1 in terms of what I'm risking to what I could make. And people have said to me, well, how can that work? Well, the answer is I consider the probability so high that I'm going to win the majority of these trades. And on 1 to 1 risk reward, I win the majority of those trades in my strategy. And what I'm doing is I'm actually doing something different, in my view, to be right. And that is that I'm coming in earlier at a turning point than the herd would, okay? I'm also prepared to risk a little bit more so I can stay with the trade just in case there's a bounce against me. And I have a very tight target to get out on. Those trades work very well for me, and they are against conventional investment wisdom. But as part of my strategy, they work, and you'll often find the risk reward per trade is just another example of how conventional investment wisdom is just accepted by people without questioning it. Always question it, and always try and be different to the herd. Okay, I think in Forex trading in particular, people don't question what is commonly accepted enough. If you do, you can sometimes see, hey, this is wrong. If I work a strategy that is different to the herd, then I could come out ahead. So my view is always try and be a little bit different in Forex trading, because it's the only way to win. And talking about being different, I'm just going to play out with that extraordinary Paraguayan goalkeeper doing something, again, which is very unconventional. Thank you very much for watching me. Take care. Have a good day.
Well, that was an intelligent dummy, but it did nothing but leave the ball for Higuita. And look at this from the Colombian keeper. Well, this is quite incredible.
Well, I mean, I've never seen anything like that.